Abusia for yama obi bia good evening. Akofna media so enie. Ehai akofna media asante amamre ne amanie ka ne wa ha me ka kire se ahinie ensem sania ekobia no ehai na obenya no Ghana amamre Ghana hensem ene nia ekoso se utimi bomodene efra yen ko ade a ye beba be fa na ye de ama ede se wan fra yen na so wunya fra yen ko ade akofna media ye beba na senia opese ukromo aha ye kan se ahinie eho nsem no senia tie bia no ye be maso na ye de aba be so me ye tiefuo esan se ahinsem anasa ahinie eya ade a eno de ekoso pa na meka se amamwo nsem no eba beto ahinie senia ye mpanimfo no omusibu oman esifa na senia omusi ma ahinie esi eyefe na enei de eneye 1st February 2026 ehin na yedi yani akire mu eneye ko asante hene a Otumfuo tozu mienu osetutu meni wakasai eneye akwasideye a edinkan ewo afimu 2026 no akwasideye a edinkan yewurade ahyehye so na senia esi ya akono ene senia nefe ene senia esi koye no eho ahia yense akofra media yesusu ye team ni nyina no ye ko ewo honomo ewo manhia na me no kasa no nuoma ekoso ewo manhia honomo no ene na akofra media esese yesusu ye diba be som ye tiefuo enkobasa yenko an ye kwakobo ye ni akohoma ebetimi abasa wanya kwan anko honomo bi na yesusu de akofna media ya yeso kontromfi no so odo ho boyen a okotokro erenka soro da etise de yan ye be maso na ye de ababe kiro ene ya me no kasa ni a woti sikadwa eso asanteman anasa sante kotokohene enne na ho fama na efedodo na ho siesie mewurade nyankopon na edamufia da bia no yewura kasa yema ahensem anase yema yahinie enye fe na enye akono ene yewura one de okan woye action ojije no a obeye nia wokora no untimi ye ka bibi so obema extra mal eniti yewura de me se oma ahinie ya akono na ene ohwe na hofama no a na edamufia no size eniti na meda nyina ye kase woye nyame kase so we twere mpombasa ye do nyankopon a prekese jafadum nyame kokromoti a yensane no ho mmopo no efiri ho no mo a sante hene a otoso mienu o se etutu otoso ono zo mekase ane na chese na hinie no efe dodo na akono dodo enese ne hinie ni si koso ewo manhia ho no mo no awurade na efe eniti ebe kase eyese kutu se bam enye nkrofo bidie ni bia enye nkrofo bidie no a omo kire akon eni tetensem tetentokwa ho nsem no da bi wedi o se ma wahenie enye akono mi ame kase mididi amono ba kope akofena media nso enie ene ne ekoso no se wani hunu a ebeje wonsem na eje wonsem a ene na enkrofo bi ni mu hunu a na aje o sleepless night ye ka sleepless night out ase enna krokro na aka wo mo ji wo ho a enye omo wo so wo ho a enyeye ni nyina ne se ye wurade ye ogige no a obeya ma wa hunu se ampa ahini akono na oma ahini eyefe enam ne sa ho nti no Ghana IGP Christian Tete Yehonu oni ni police fuo no omu nyina kan twi fa plane anamaka se flat eba asanteman mu omo soso enne akwasideya a etoso a edi nkan nya ne etoso nia edi nkan ewo afi mu no omu nyina eba bi na ohwe senior police fuo no se na omu si display ho no mo a na ade na eyem akono no se ne police fuo no emma no omu si etwa sikadwa omo ye sikadwa pa na se ne nakono no na efe omo wieye no na omo sane ye omo ye display bi a omo wie afa mi hedi na omo nipa no na omo atwere akwaba sante hene na otime hunu se na efe police royal ladies eneni omo ye no manhia no me se edi twam na menyintu se we yade a ebetwa muda na ye betrans akofra media ye betrans abra ye bekasa ye mfa ye befa Anything says ya me no kasa over YouTube ewa akofuna media ensem ya me kan etwagu ana se wodi wani hwemu ewo Facebook so a eho so no wonsa be kan ani se oba TikTok so a TikTok ho no so no eno so akofuna media ensem aye kan nyina no wonsa be kan abusiafo munni machi kasa tentene entoponko momi yanko ne yankonko hwenia esi wo manhia na ye kwa o hweni nyina no na afi wodi wo comment eba begu comment section no asoha amaye se eneso na eda edi nkan a oni akofuna media ahia so a bo modere so be subscribe amaye wo subscribe awie a notification icon bell no na wa turn no on edi ama akofuna media se ne medi kan ye no medi no ye amono ba ko pe follow yen ewo akofuna media yankone nkonkohwe ni a esiye ewo enne ya akwaside ya edi nkan ewo 2026 mu 1st February asante mayimu no yankonkohwe mra ye ba fa comment bra begu ho emaye yedamase a awisi asante ahinie ene asante ene ye no akono dodo.
It is much unprayed. The band appointment, we have the acting director of band, DSP Felix Osei Mabwe, bandmaster chief inspector Godson Kran, and drum major PW inspector Haruna Semura. Nana no besere mo na montra semaye. Enche police from Baneba, obi an fi gemu maye. Obi bia fi gemu maye. Mo nya ntam obi bia police from ntro bo nya obi anyira ho mo amokọ nya ntam maye. Mo amokọ nya ntam maye. Mo amoba mo njira ho maye. Yesremo mamu sa dwumedie no maye. Obi bia nkotena se. Yebesre bibia agrofo no mesremo mo ntwa so maye. Otumfuo ba.
Yeni anuma police for atodwa se wono ba bedi dwumadi esronko ewo enne akwaside dika wo fiempino ni aduanu nsia imo ene nti yesi kwan mu na ho wo mo eda dwumadi kitwa bi edi ene nti ye mai kwan mu emfa
MC yebesrew
yedase
ahanyedi mbayen.
Okay.
Charlie.
Two, three.
Nananom adishie mesremo mama hayedi Emma ya royal police ladies for Jumedia and the omo babedino ye nyina yenhwe wo won tumi be hwe no ye yi ewa TV so fefefe ewa bedwom wo tu oni a wo hwe wo no ho a Jumedia koso no omo eyi ewa video so
Show that you're looking to off there and people say from the Magadia ancestor stand right off like a stone. Number 2 backwards a bit. Number 3 stone at the last mark of the contingent. Last mark at it. Count stone continuous to your right. So they turn the line. Look to your right. All of you there. Look to your right. All of you. I can stand there. Can stand. Stand. Pray! Pray! Done!
You are most welcome, Your Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, to the special parade formed up by the Police Royal.
Dead arms! General salute! Arms!
Royal salute. Shall we please be upstanding? Shall we please resume our seats?
Dead arms! Parade! Stand down! Hoist!
The parade commander, in the person
Parade! Parade! Send!
ASP Kafi.
So dead arms! All dead arms!
Parade commander, ASP Kafi Ajiman, is now marching briskly to ask permission from His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei to inspect the parade formed up this afternoon in his honor.
Good afternoon, Your Royal Majesty. A Kwesidai parade formed up, made up of one other officer, 124 rank and file, with a police ceremonial band in attendance, ready for inspection. Assistant Superintendent of Police, Kafui Ajiman, reporting, Your Royal Majesty.
ASP Kafui Ajiman, I just sought permission from His Royal Majesty to inspect our gallant Police Royal ladies who are on parade this morning. We have two contingents. And then we have the parade 2IC in the person of ASP Joyce Ofori. PW Inspector Joanna Ajipiam is the parade RSM, with PW Lance Corporal Celestine Doe as the contingent 1 supernumerary, as well as PW Constable Rashida 2 Jawuga as the supernumerary 4 contingent 2. We proceed with the inspection of our gallant Police Royal ladies. Nananom, you know, more policemen from more Police Royal ladies, and there Jumedia Omudi, you the share, you were Nunyam, you were 2-4, you know, my police force say. your dog and the police say your dog ma your dog crew intended you may your show new. The profile of the parade commander this morning. Afternoon, we have ASP Kafi Ajiman, who was enlisted into the Ghana Police Service in the year 2014 and was posted to the police hospital as a professional nurse, a skilled first aider, and a trained individuals in life-saving techniques and procedures. She is also a talented broadcaster. She's hosted You and Your Health on the GH Police TV. She's worked with the GH Police TV at the Public Affairs Directorate, and is currently an instructor at the National Police Training School, Tesano, Accra. She's happily married with 2 children. Her hobbies are reading and cooking. In your shot currently is the inspection. As you can see, Nananom adishye enuanoma ishiem ha dwumedia edi ne fe ene se yewura Otumfuo tosumienu ehwe ne nkola ne royal ladies awon kekemu omo afoma senior omo ahihye mu ntaje fefefe edition enyomnyam nti dwumedia ko for inspection of parade ohwe senior omo kekatie omo atadi shemuhye etie omo pabwa shemutie no semi omo abo muti ni nyina eka police amamre ho yabesre yehwe ewo police TV so jumedie yeyi ewo abafo jumedie Facebook mo amonso mo ha no jumedie no ekoso yeyi ewo ofidie so wo hwe eban ho a jumedie no ekoso fefefe yewura otuno bako ne fe police royal ladies parade in honor of His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second. We have the parade TYC in the person of ASP Joyce Afi Ofori, who joined the Ghana Police Service in 2005 as an information analyst. She holds a master's degree in conflict, peace and security from the Kofi Annan International Peace Training Center. He holds a postgraduate diploma in security studies from the University of Cape Coast, UCC, a Bachelor of Law from Mount Crest University College, and a BSc in computer science from KNUST. She is currently serving as the command of the Parliamentary Protection Unit, and hobbies include reading and globe trotting. Enti jumedi sena no yewura Otumfuo so tutu otosumienu ehwe yenuanum police from ma ande almost akotis dia etoso 2026 edikan no we edikan almost ande dia jumedi sonko omo ba bedi e dia hye yewura enyonyam. Jumedi aye police anyini Mr. Christian Tatayono ena onti jumedi yedi oba no he no kwa ne bae one na pamfo efri police jumedi ka sia vs the police headquarters omo nyina ewa hambu pemu no ye bobo omo nyina din e dia ma de nananom eni adihia ewa ende nti ti yewura atenasi wia You be just some could be your friend no drill display. You know no be as and when they do the display, we will give you the meaning of what the symbols are. Into Bibi Anton Boasi, where we show a TV so no, we'll be one of a fair in Brimpomono, we will let you know what the symbols are. Thank you. The parade commander is about to seek permission from His Royal Majesty to continue with the rest of the parade. The parade commander just sought permission for the display to commence. That has been granted by His Royal Majesty Otumfuo II. Tebesremo, cameramen, please take it easy. Mun take positions. Eti Yura, police from paying for Hishim. Mama Bia Hanyani. Hey! Name Shaju Media or Mobabedi Amayan. So this is a brief weapon display, after which they will do a 4-count formation. The 4-count formation reflects grounded authority rooted in the land where leadership is not arbitrary but structured, measured, and balanced. The equal size and angle suggested by the number 4 evokes fairness, justice, and disciplined governance. The parade therefore becomes a visual expression of leadership that is stable, legitimate, and anchored in cultural values. So that is the 4-count formation, which is forming currently. Our gallant royal ladies are forming the 4-count formation. Ultimately, the 4-count parade formation serves as an assurance to the community. It conveys that peace, love, and stability are firmly in place, upheld through discipline, collective coordination, and the ceremony thus functions not only as a military or police exercise, but as a cultural performance that reaffirms order, authority, and balance within the society. So that is the 4-count formation as we are observing currently. Now we are moving to the formation of the golden stool. And the golden stool, that is the Sikadwa Kofi, stands as the most sacred and enduring symbol of the Asante Kingdom. It is not merely an emblem of authority, but the spiritual, political, and cultural foundation of Asanteman. Its significance transcends kinship, leadership, and time embodying. So what you are seeing now, those watching on the TV, you can see the Sikadwa, the golden stool, which has been formed by our gallant police royal ladies, drawn from the national. A round of applause. So the third formation is Ayuko. You don't know police from Bono say, you are Otumfuo. Omoda say, would you be there? Udi, Jumapa, Udi, Emma, Asante Mine, Ghana Mine, Asumjia, Udi, Emma, Abagana, Almost say, Jamu Ayuko, Iti, Ayuko, Anna, Oma from Fafefe, Ayuko, almost say, Nana Otumfuo Nsembo. Area Ghana Police. Say IGP. Say one napamfo do ase. Utu na eba police. Aso aye one crime. Enu omo ebedi nkita ho bebre. Ne nyina ne say ndaju medie nyina ne say omo ba ya. Omo say omo da sibro. Na mi show enu man enu ukro. Ye bia no na mi inshira na mo ready mawo. Nti ayuko eno matro e dia maye. Gallant policewoman, thank you so much for that beautiful display of drill.
Let's go.
So this basically brings us to the close of the parade. We thank you, Your Royal Majesty, Otumfuo 32, the Inspector General of Police, all invited guests, the regional minister, all those who are present. Ya domu nyina masi. Jumedie ni nyina no ya diba ne wiye le fe no. The police royal ladies. I say ya mawo ayuko obi a ya to nsa de fe na oba jumedie nyina no ya se da wa say. Ya won penufo bebre. Ya domo nyina nsembo jubedie nyina no ebe wiye. Very soon the parade commander is about to ask permission to march off the parade for the continuation of today's Akwesidae ceremony. The parade commander, ASP Kafui Ajuman, ebe serekwan efri yura na yedi jumedie nyina aba na wiye.
Your Royal Majesty, drill display over. May I please have your permission to march off the parade? Yes, Your Royal Majesty.
Nsembo nefe yenua ASP Kafui Ajuman and a parade commander enche yebebo royal salute no edro bia be peja no mo
Royal salute.
the best obi bia obia no peja mo
Present arms.
the best serena obiat nasi amayen.
Right, move, march off in column of roots. Move to the right in columns of roots. Right, 10.
Jumedie nyina abewie yenkola no ebe mache royal ladies, police royal ladies. Enti nananom adishie no to suffer nyina no no ba no mo parade no ye frɛ mo police royal lady. Ya beda yewra Inspector General of Police Christian Tateyo no ase jumedie nyina esine nan so ono nti na ye de anuano mo mba no free crime ene ni anuano police from penny for free crime nyina ba ye say and the baba sum yewra na Akwesidae no a di kan ewa film no yenso ya behwe bi enti police banda ye no so free crime na ba ye led by DSP Felix Mabua Ofe Mabua lefe police band NLB almost 30 shemu for free national headquarters the from police and royal band they are paying the necessary courtesies to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo to the second. Inspector General of Police once again We say thank you for making this parade a success. Mr. Christian Tata Yoronu, the Ghana Police Service is proud of you for bringing Ghana Police closer to Menchia Palace. We appreciate you so much for this honor done, our ladies and all officers here present, and the whole Ghana Police Service. Yeah, the women Police royal ladies, thank you very much for that wonderful performance. We do appreciate that. You made the Special General Police, Christian Tateuno, and his gallant officers very, very proud. Today's performance has been splendid, so beautifully done. Thank you very much for that wonderful display of drill. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate you all for honoring the invitation and being part of today's parade ceremony.
Hello. And there a year or Jafo Bosomenida Edikai. A sign a year aquaside a war a fimo de Edikai and no. And Fiampino any Adriano Ensia. What Duman Coma and ne a Santa Mai Adini. Wogusua e peja asante mai gusua e yekese na ebe yekese odoman komada roma wode enne afam ye ba ne aba beji enshira e de free ye ranase akwa ye afi ahyase ne akwasida edikan asante mai nyina gitwi agetrada emu mebunu emu nkwada empeni yenyina yeba ababetai ye hemfo ne ahemanu machi ne de ni de sanafota ama yera otikokwaso otumfuo sei tutu otosumienu na brekro na yaginanem enhira efisa na daroma ena aya wosre de manema na daroma en wosre enhira yedie ne nkoso wode mane nananom se de beya yedie beya yedia babia ne de hye nam biara wanama eyenhira nananom ahemfo ahemanom wanom ekọ enkonwada mu no ogu nsase ya eyeyedie no wosre babia ne nananom enan ekoka biara babia ne nananom ekokodru biara ekodi pa ekoye dwuma ɛbɛyɛ ani so na bɛyɛ kɛseɛ na nimdeɛ ɛne n'adwuma yɛ mu wɔde apagya Asanteman enti nya nwanwa sɛ obi de hoahoa ne ho na wɔka sɛ meyɛ Asanteni ɛbra ye nuanom afoforo aka wɔka kasa hodoɔ nso wɔnom so ɛka wɔnom deɛ ne nyinaa ɛyɛ Asanteman pagya ne mpuntuo ne nkankro ne yiedie ɛne nti sɛ ɛda bi sɛ idura yɛnni baabi akɔ sɛ yɛbɛba yɛwura hɔ ne aka sɛ yɛwura hyira yɛn ne yɛfa nwura afi mu ɛne nti yɛba baabi a wowɔ biaa bɔ mmɔden na bɔpini ha sɛ wowɔ agoprama ne bi so ɛwɔ yɛ mmɔntene so baabi a bɔpini ha na yɛwura wɔba wɔbɛtena se na enhyira na ne yɛhyɛ aseɛ agye ade afiri ne hɔ no media fie atwa mu menya bi na ampa eniyama nyina di adanseɛ menim sɛ wo nso a wo ba yɛ nananom ada Roma emogya ne nso di umu afuru sane no wo bedi adanseɛ sɛ eniyama ɛyɛ nhyira de sisi yɛ de yɛgyae ne nyina mu ade ma nananom ne agema yɛgya Nyankopɔn firi sɛ wɔno nanim ne yɛ ɛne wɔyɛ de ma ne ma ɛnɛ yɛasan aba wɔgyefo bosome de di kan nananom hemfo madaroma enim sɛ dodoɔ na tena se wa wontena se na wa ma ho so kakra bɔ ho so kakra ma yɛn na wa betena se ansan na yɛwura abetena se ɛni die kwan so saa na wɔsɛ ɛyɛ yɛde mu nyinaa se Yes, Ramona yetna say.
What a way. What a way to begin the year. And what a way to celebrate the first Akwasidai of the year 2026. We thank you, our distinguished Inspector General of Police, today here with the Royal Police in full regalia. And what a way to celebrate the first Akwasidai of the year 2026.
Afibia yedi Akwasidai di kai nyina yenum sam nenso emfiempino ne aduanunsia yi de sronko ne sronko a yehu yenuanom aposifo emma akentena wonfo ya wonum hu so gina won ho wasi yewra afidie yesesem eninti santene pa wonom to abasa say wa abegina ho wasi yewra wadarumo enidie wobuani ahobrase akwan so brabe ye ensipahe ampa yewra hwehwe ye wonum nyina mu na wonom a display kakra wa ha wei ema afi Akwasidai edanso kra de di kan edanso emfiempino ne aduanunsia bibi edi adanse se afi wei eniyema nyina bai danso Nemom yehu sajumade ya ema yeremfi aposifo ma no ene no memma enye wono mo pe ene ofiti ya wobegina ha aposifo nyina yensahene ora Christian tetenya honu IGP the Inspector General of Police wono ene ma ho kwai anano modaro mebru yebekaika ye ho a yewra ekwokwachia police sahene pa ewonkran ekwohwe wonum dwumadie ya wonum die ehwonni sone ahohoho a ono ase miwra wadaro mebru ewose menso mekire sede woyɛ ye no mani aso ene nti na enne yehunu de yehu bi da na afi akwaside di kan e wa fi mo yehunu de yewe yewra nyahono yedase.
We are most grateful to the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Christian Tatayonu, for bringing the police royal ladies here to the Marshall Palace together with the police ceremonial band. We say thank you to you, COP Dr. Enes Owusu, COP Alhaji Muhammad Fuseni Suraji, the COP Mr. Michael Nketia Frimpong, Director General for Finance, COP Joseph Oklu Jamera, COP Mr. Peter Baba Atiniag, and COP Lydia Yako Donko, Director General CID, COP Mr. Emmanuel Tatakujo, COP Mr. Frederick Kofi Blagochi, COP Mr. Gabriel Prince Webu, DCOP Mr. Dako Ofei Lamte, DCOP Raymond Wejon Ali Adusiam, DCOP Cosmos Alan Anyan, DCOP Grace Ansa Akrofi, Director General PAD, and ACP Mr. Kujo Abache, ACP Solomon Kweli, and ACP Abulai Amadou. On behalf of His Majesty, Otumfuo Osei to do the second